Right, so this is going to address embedding Polypad canvases into other websites using the iframe. So the we're going to take this canvas and make it show up over here. Um, it used to access the embed code by going to the share button. Used to be on this right menu bar. It's not there anymore. Furthermore, it seems like they've made it so that whereas before the embedding was static, so once you embedded your canvas into your other site, any changes made to the canvas wouldn't be pushed to the embedded version. They weren't synced, and now they are, which is kind of neat. So we go to, let's see, I hid the sidebar to make it to show something, but okay, so here's the sidebar. Let me put the sidebar back. All right, so if you go to File, name your canvas, save it, and then, so here's the share button now. So I'm going to click there, and I get this modal window come up, and I have this text that can, HTML iframe that can be embedded elsewhere. So I'll say copy it and paste it. I'm going to change this to 100%. Okay, and voila, we have our embedded canvas. Now, let's say that I'm using this in a class, and for whatever reason, I don't want to allow, I don't want my students to have access to the tile menu, the sidebar. Okay, so what's cool is now we can just, the embedded version will sync with this one upon save. So if I untoggle the sidebar and then save it, something went wrong. Try again. Okay, so Polypad saved, cool. And now if I come back over here, notice there's the sidebar and I'll refresh and it's not. So refreshing over, so saving in the original, refreshing in the embed will sync the two. Let's see, what else? Yeah, that's just about it. There's a couple little things you can stop here, but like for example, if I say, I can still like modify the URL. This is what used to happen. So, if I wanted to hide the sidebar, I would say sidebar equals hidden. Save, and now like that's kind of hardwired into the embedded version. So I'll show the sidebar with everything here, and and save it, and this guy won't care. Like you just won't show you just won't show it. However, if I take that off, so save. Okay, now it's back. You see, so you can still like use the URL to configure the UI, but those configurations will not sync to the original. They will be so-called hardwired in. All right. Hope that helps.